Welcome to Bobby's kitchen. Look who I have here.
Hi.
Hi.
And tell them your name.
I'm Daniela and we're gonna make sesame bread mix with Bobby's kitchen.
I'm Nicole and we'll be making this, so maybe next time you could all do it by yourself.
Hi, I'm Galia and I'm really excited to eat these bread balls.
Great. So, why
We're
not
gonna have
get
fun.
started? I was really hesitating what we're gonna make, but since I bought that and it looks so delicious, so we'll try it.
Whoa, pink.
Use both.
But we're gonna make both because it's not too much. It's just like everybody will get made
For a whole
two.
family.
Okay, let me give you this one here.
The recipe also mentions for 2 eggs, since we're using every packet, but if you're using one, you should use 1 egg.
Yeah, so we're gonna double everything since said in the recipe. Yeah, so first put both of these in here.
Put the mix in the bowl.
Yeah, put both of
Scissors.
these in here.
What? You were fast.
And it has a bunch of sesame inside.
Now we're putting the second bag inside the bowl.
Yeah, the sesame is already in this, so it shouldn't be very... So now we can put both of the eggs inside of this, and you can fill the water up to 140 milliliters, so between 100 and 200.
Also, don't forget to wash your hands. Look. Now we're putting the second egg inside.
And now,
Yeah.
and now you pour the water in.
Great.
Now this here.
Now here it goes. And that's another thing what we're doing. We're putting that in container and recycle it, making a compost.
Yeah.
And before we're gonna eat, I would like to go because you're using your hands. So wash your hands.
This already looks good.
Yeah, we show to the camera how that looks.
Yeah. Whoa. It also smells really good.
Not yet, but it will.
It smells like sesame. With him?
Yes, yes, with your hands.
Got it. Add some?
Okay. Okay, so start kneading.
We wanted to learn how to help in the kitchen so we can help at home. So we're helping you. Whoa.
It looks very soft.
It's so soft.
And you can smell the sesame.
Yeah, for sure.
After this will all be mixed, we'll have to roll it into little balls and then bake them.
Make sure to mix very well so all the ingredients will be combined.
So before we continue mixing the bread, we need to turn off the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees 80 Celsius.
Okay, now we're gonna go back to mixing.
Yeah, so you want it to be like doughy. When you finish it, you want it to be doughy.
So you can make the
So
balls.
you can mix it and make it into balls. So
Yeah.
you really knead it.
And the oven is warming up while we're making the dough.
We need to combine everything together.
Yeah, so it's already starting to get into one piece.
Okay, now we keep mixing it until it's all together, so we can start rolling them into balls and then put them in the oven. Oh,
And now that the dough isn't sticking to the bowl, we can start dividing the dough into little.
By the way, look what we found in Bobby's garden. It's a zucchini that looks like a duck.
So big.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna take the dough out of this bowl and then put it in here and start rolling it.
And we can start cutting it just about like that, I would say. And make a little ball. And Galia, you know what? You can spray the sheet where we're gonna put them.
Okay.
And you can make around like 12 to 14 balls with this.
Now you want to spray it on everywhere so
Everywhere.
Look what we've done.
you can get it.
Now we can start rolling the balls until they're all ready.
Then you want to place them on the sheet. And then you have your balls.
Here you can take this dough, put some flour on it and start rolling.
Did you spray it?
Hey. Yeah.
Sticky, so you want to add a little bit of flour so you can.
Not too much.
Yeah, not too much, but just a
You
little
take
bit.
this, make some balls.
Be careful with the knife.
With flour.
That was really.
Start rolling it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have to
it's
put
gonna
a
get
little
big.
flour
Because
because
it
it's
is
very
hard.
sticky. Show you. And very gently you have to roll it in your hands to make a little balls.
And you can try this one.
That's not the way to do it.
I'm not too good at this.
No.
Oh no, you need more flour.
Yeah. Wow, ti hai tosto dobre, Tuna.
Yeah, because when you mix it a lot, it becomes sticky again. Yeah, more flour.
It's okay.
Start rolling.
It will work. Whoa, they're turning out good.
Okay,
Whoa.
we already have 8.
8.
And we want
And
14.
depending on the size, there can be more or less, but it doesn't really matter. We're gonna clean all of this up.
Do you need more
This will
flour?
be the biggest one.
Awesome. It's really sticky.
The next step is just to brush it with the water, and that will make it nice and crispy.
So we made 10 balls, some a little bigger, some a little small.
Each of them are different.
It's ready!
Ready!
Take it out of the oven.
It grew so much, like so big.
Wow, look at
Wow.
these. So big.
They were these small
They're
before.
ginormous.
Okay.
I can't wait. These look so good. I want.
Which one is yours?
So good.
Wow.
We're gonna have them for lunch.
Use it as a bun.
Yes.
Fantastic.
They
So
got
hot.
so big in the oven.
And there's also like a tiny one.
Wow!
It looks so good, and it is really good.
This was so fun to make. We are definitely gonna remember this in the future, and the food was so good.
Yeah, it is delicious. This is so good. You need to try this. It's really good.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was so fun to make and it tastes amazing. I really want to make this again. It's so good.
Thank you.
So good.
See you next time.
Bye.